Hello my dear friends, I am Sangeeta Mishra from city of Mumbai, and by profession I am a Vaastu consultant for more than a decade, and today I am going to show you about a new product which I have been using for a very long time, and it was a new concept for me at that moment, but after experiencing the marvelous result into my life, I wanted to share this wonderful product with you all, and in the video you will be seeing my experience and my life story about this product after using it. So without waiting for a long time, I would just like to show you this magical product. This is Purtier placenta, which I have been using for a quite long time right now, and I would just like to share that, as I mentioned, I am a Vaastu consultant. So during the pandemic time, it was a time of depression, stress, anxiety. Many people were losing their job, changing their businesses. So people needed me at that moment much more. And as the world was at a standstill, we all have experienced it. I did not go into the details. So at that moment, all my clients, all my new clients needed me much more than ever before. So what used to happen, that I started working for more than 16 hours through Zoom consultation, through online consultation, and in a day I used to work for more than 15 to 16 hours. At a young age, I didn't realize that what I was doing with my body, with my own self, but with the passion to serve the society, the community, and to give something back, kept me going on and on. Almost 2 years I was into the same position because I like talking to people, giving them solutions, helping them out. So when this thing was happening with me, I completely neglected my own body, my own self, and you would be shocked to know what happened with me. The result was that I started getting acidity attacks. Now, people may say that acidity is very common, every second individual is facing that issue. But my problem was something very severe. I'll share what happened in that case to me. So I went to doctor as general layman. I went to doctor, consulted, took medicines. I was having relief for 2-3 days. Again I got the second attack of acidity, and then again I took a medicine course for 2-3 days. But this kept on recurring for at least 4 intervals. And then my doctor said you will have to get admitted and hospitalized. And why this happened, I'll tell you, because I was not getting proper rest, proper sleep, and there was no proper timing to eat my own food, because I was so engrossed into my work that during that moment I neglected my own self, my own body. So the sum total result was I was hospitalized for 5 days, and those 5 days I was not able to have my food, my meals. All that I was getting was through saline and injections. And later on, after studying my case, doctor recommended me to undergo a surgery. And you know that as a consultant, if I don't go out and I don't work, so I'm losing that work, plus I'm paying the doctors, the hospital, and my own body is suffering. See, I can pay the bill, I will not go to work, but what suffering I have undergone those 5 days in the hospital bed, that no one can bear, that no one can take from me, that pain I have gone through. So I would also like to share that I am a part of many business platforms and community, and there I met Aubrey Albis. She's from Philippines, and I was listening to her product testimonials. She used to keep on sharing in our group. So I just shared about my case study, my health problems, and when recently she was in India, during that moment I was again having some problem with my throat, severe coughing, cold and fever. So again it was 2-3 weeks of medication. I tried multiple things, homeopathy, Ayurveda, allopathy, but if I used to talk, because being a consultant, my work is to talk. So when I used to speak for a long time, the coughing used to keep on going on, and it used to irritate me as well as the people around me at my home, at my office, or wherever, whatever public place I am. And after COVID, especially if you're coughing, then people start seeing you that from such a lens, from such an angle, that you're committing some crime. So again you get embarrassed, and that was my own situation too. So when I went to meet Aubrey in India, when she had come for the first time, she saw the same thing, and there were 8-10 people in that meeting. So she told me that Sangeeta, you are having a very severe cough. Why don't you try this Purtier placenta, 2 capsules today in the night and 2 capsules tomorrow in the morning. And she assured that I will be cured. Just as we are professionals and we are in a business community, I trusted her words, and I took those 2 capsules in the night and 2 capsules in the morning. 90% coughing was stopped in the morning. The people in my house, at my office, were very shocked seeing the result. Then I got interested to know about this product more for myself, and I am now taking this product for a very long time, and I have experienced a change in my energy level. All my health issues are gradually gone, and this product works on your cell. And as you know, in 90 days there are certain cells in your body which die and they are eliminated, and new cells come up. So this works on the cell therapy. And if someone is having any chronic problem and they are going for a very long treatment, undergoing medication, so this will help them give fantastic result in a very short span of time. I'll share you one more case study about my friend, that as viral is there in the air and people are getting infected. One of my friend was having viral fever. She went for medication. Doctor suggested to get a typhoid checkup done. When she was talking to me, I said, okay, this Purtier placenta has helped me. I think it should help you. With the same care and concern, I gave her 4 capsules, and with that same faith in me, she took it, and next day afternoon she called me. She said, I'm feeling 80% better. So to know more about this product, to know more that how you can take it, from where you will get it, and how this product works in your life, on your body, you can contact me on my number given below. And our body is made up of trillions of cells, and each cell has got a capacity to heal itself on its own. So this is a therapy which will help the healing process to happen faster. Thank you very much to listening me out, and I hope I have been adding some value through this video. And I'll be posting some more testimonial videos for various health issues that people I have recommended to. Thank you very much.